Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yemi B here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this designer scrunchies. I've been seeing this kind of scrunchies all over my Instagram, and I want to show you guys how you guys can make it yourself, save your little coin or whatever. So if you guys want to know how to make this, make sure you guys keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you guys like DIYs like this. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is your fabric. This is the fabric that I am using. You're going to need it in the diameter of 3.5 inches by 22 inches. You're also going to need some T-pins, a pair of scissors, some elastic, and you're going to need to cut your elastic by 9 inches. So the first thing you're going to need to do is fold your fabric in half, and I'm going to secure it with the T-pins. I do suggest using an iron and just making sure like the other edge of it lays flat, because it's way easier to sew it down on the sewing machine. And then on one end of the fabric, you're going to want to fold the fabric about 1 inch outside so it looks seamlessly when you're done with everything. So right now I'm showing you guys what I'll be sewing down in my sewing machine. I also sewed it down twice just so it could be extra secure. So this is what it should look like when you're done. So now you're just going to turn your fabric inside out. So now you just want to feed the elastic through the material. I find it easier when I put the T-pin on the elastic, because it was easier for me to feel it while I was feeding it through. So after you're done, you just want to tie the two ends together. I tied it twice just to be extra secure. So the end that we folded earlier will go on the outside, and you see how the other side's a little bit raggedy? Yeah, that part will go on the inside. And then you just want to go ahead and stitch that down. So that's how you guys can make your own designer scrunchies. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like DIYs like this. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Change your name to my last name. You've been around for hours, feel like you just